One, two, three, and oh my god. Can you see that?
Hi everyone, so here is the deal. We have got a Chinese factory saying that their truck market lights are 10% cheaper, but just as good as the more expensive one. Sounds pretty good, but can we really trust that? What? We compare them side by side on everything from material, build quality to brightness, and build count. Let's go do the compare between these two lights, okay? So let's do it now. Okay guys, over here we have two samples. We have the sample 1 and the sample 2. Okay, so over here let's start first for the material. Yeah, let me take both. So let me show you first how many lights they have each one inside. This one you can see we have 6, and over here we have 4 lights, right? Here's the light. So for the material you can see not almost the same. And about the prices, the prices they are almost the same, but this one is a little bit expensive, just a little bit, not too much. Yeah, and this one is a plastic, recycled plastic. Yeah, so let's see downstairs what they have. Okay guys, as can you see over here, it's very small though. Yeah, it's very small and it has itself connection that can be easy to connect it to the truck. And the other one, the sample 2, not too small over here. Yeah, and doesn't have itself connection. Yeah, this is the difference between them. Okay guys, we just saw like how is it in the material and some very systematic things. So right now let's try to do something very interesting, is put the connection in the electricity and let's see which one is very shine. Okay, so let's do it right now. Okay guys, we're over here. So right now let's put the electricity inside and let's see how it works. Okay, okay guys, are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, and oh my god, can you see that? Yeah, obviously we can see like the simple one is so shiny, right? Then let's see the simple 2. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we can see why this one, the simple one, is a little bit more expensive than the simple 2, right? Wow, that's so shiny. Okay guys, I hope you love it. That is very awesome. The difference between them you can see it. Okay guys, after side-by-side examination of our product in the material, in the illumination and bulbs, so you can see the difference between our two products for today in the top lights of the truck. So you can see like the simple one is more lighter than the simple 2. Okay guys, so are you ready to level up your trucks for a new game, like using our top lights that combine sustain, style, and some safety? Are you ready for that? Okay, if you are ready for that, please you can head over at worldtruckparts.com. So today you can grow your selection. And remember, like at World Truck Parts, we are not just selling parts. We are building relationships with lovers of truck parts like you. Your satisfaction is our mission. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, and welcome back to the world of truck parts. See you to the next video.